Good morning, students. Today, I am going to start a new chapter, that is linear equation in two variables. Here, we find three terms. First is equation, and second, equation in two variables, and third, linear equation in two variables. Now, in earlier classes, you have studied about linear equation in one variable. But I want to recall you first what is equation. An equation is a statement of equality, which contains one or more variables. An equation is a statement of equality which contains one or more variables. For example, and there is another term, equality. What is equality? When two terms are connected with the sign of equal. Suppose 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. This is an equality. And an equation is a statement of equality. So this is an equality which contains one or more variable. But here is no variable. So this is not an equation. Equation is a statement of equality which contains one or more variable. So here we write 3x plus 5. Now this is an equality because this is the sign of equal, and this equality contains a variable x. So this is known as an equation. Now in this equation there is only one variable, that is x. So this is known as equation in one variable. Equation in one variable. And now here we write 3x plus 5y is equal to 8. Now this is an equation because this contains the sign of equal, means this is an equality and contains two variables, that is one and that is x and y. So here are two variables, x and y. So this is known as equation in two variables. Equation in two variables. Variables are x and y. And if we write 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 5 is an equation containing three variables x, y and z. So this is known as equation in three variables. Understand? Means equation is a statement of equality which contains one or more variable. If the equation contains one variable, that is known as equation in one variable. And if an equation contains equation containing two variable is known as equation in two variable. Equation containing three variables is known as equation in three variable. Now, linear equation in one variable, linear equation in two variables, and linear equation in three variables, and so on. An equation containing a variable and having the power on variable is 1, that is called linear equation in one variable. Understand? An equation containing a variable and having the power on the variable is 1 is known as a linear equation in one variable. And if an equation contains two variables and having the exponent on variable are 1, then they are called linear equation in two variables. Here the power on x is 1 and power on y is also 1. So this is called linear equation in two variables. Understand? An equation containing a variable and having the exponent on variable is 1, that is called linear equation in one variable. And an equation containing two variable and having the exponent on the variable is 1, then they are called linear equation in two variable. Now, so this is linear equation in two variable. Now define, we can also define in this way, linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. An equation of the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a and b are not equal to 0 is called linear equation in two variables x and y. An equation of the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a, b is not equal to 0 is called linear equation in two variables x and y. Is called linear equation in two variables x and y. Two variables in x and y. Now, for example, example, 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. X plus 2y is equal to 5. And so on. These are linear equation in two variables. Variables are x and y. Variable may be other than x, y. 2p plus 3q is equal to 6 and so on. So here the variables are x and y. Now solution of the equation. Solution or roots are the same, have the same meaning. Solution all in class 6, 7 and 8 you have a study about solution of the equation. The value of the variable which satisfy the equation is known as the solution of the equation. Suppose 3x is equal to 6. Here we write an equation that is 3x is equal to 6. Now substitute x is equal to 2 in the given equation, then we find that this is equal to 6. Now 6 right sides are equal. So x is equal to 2. Satisfy the equation 3x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 2 is a solution of the equation. Now similarly here is 3x plus y is equal to 6. Now this is linear equation in two variables and this is linear equation in one variable. You have a study about linear equation in one variable, that linear equation in one variable has only one solution. But here are two variables x and y. So linear equation in two variable has a pair of solution, one for x and one for y. Linear equation in one variable has only one solution. What linear equation in two variable has a pair of solution, one for x and one for y. Here is a given equation 3x plus y is equal to 6. This is linear equation in two variables. If we put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 6, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. We put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 6. This satisfies the given equation. 3 into 0 plus 6 is equal to 6 and right hand side is also 6. So x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 6 satisfied the equation 3x plus y is equal to 6. Therefore, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 6 is a solution of this equation. Now, x is equal to 3 into 2 plus 0 is also 6. So, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0 has also satisfied the given equation 3x plus y is equal to 6. So, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 0 is the solution of the given equation. So here we find that linear equation in two variables has infinitely number of solutions. Thank you.